My name is Avinash Jeewani, and today we'll talk about the feasibility study of Team EFVT. Project owner is Dr. Masood. So, the feasibility study document is available in the conference under the Team EFVT project. This contains information about the project overview, project objective. We'll briefly talk about it, and then we'll move to the technical feasibility of the team. So main objectives of the projects are that user can come and sign up, and they can use various algorithms for the trading purpose. They can see the graph of how a trading algorithm is performing and how a user account is being performed. And the scope of the project is divided into four main actors, one being basic user, advanced user, expert user, and developers. We'll more majorly talking about the feasibility, technical feasibility. So the tools we are using here are the Visual Studio 2017 Enterprise, which is IDE, and for the SQL we are using SQL Server Management Studio. For the backend we'll be using ASP.NET Core 2.1, which is integrated and installed within the IDE. Then with file layer architecture using C# programming language. On the front end we'll be using MVC architecture using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as programming languages, and the Bootstrap framework for the JavaScript. For the database we'll be using MS SQL over the PWA cross platform, and for the visualization we'll be using D3.js, which will receive the JSON formatted using the REST API calls directly into D3.js. So reason for choosing these tools are also documented. We'll discuss it. First of all, we'll discuss about the database. We checked multiple database servers. One was the MySQL, which was very commonly used, but the problem was the security and the backup. For that, MS SQL is better than MySQL. That's why we picked MS SQL. For the visualization, we had to pick D3.js. The reason for that is that it performs very well with the REST API and with the live graphs. Other tools were there as well, for example DevExtreme or Wiz.js, but the reason for choosing D3.js was it was free, it was easily available, it has so many graphs, unlike DevExtreme which was paid. It had many services, but the for services we were using we were getting for free in D3.js. And Wiz.js had problem with integrating the live graph, and the graph were not really good in those. So that's it for the feasibility study of the team EFVT. If you have any questions, you can contact me or Dr. Masood on the emails given below.